everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Katie, and today we are going to be doing another week of a Christmas faith planner layout. I love these. I really do. I love decorating for Christmas, even if it's in a planner. So today I think I'll be using my old sticker book from Michael's. This was the peppermint stripe one. I think this was last year's, if I'm not mistaken, but they don't sell them anymore. They used to come out with new ones every year, and it just makes me sad that they don't have these sticker books anymore. Like these giant ones. They still have like the small ones, but nothing like these. I miss these. I should have bought in like a million of them when they had them, but this one's really cute. It has a ton of there's some vintage style ones, there's some peppermint stripe ones, so lots of fun happening. And good, we actually can use our countdown, which is awesome. Okay. So if you're new to the Happy Planner, these pages do pop out, which I love. I mean, not many planners do that. I think they were the very first ones to do it, so I'm not switching because I love that. All right, here we go. And I'm going to make sure that my countdown is accurate. Yes, all right. I'm actually going to use these first. That way I know kind of what washi tape that I want to use, etc. So I think I did my countdown correctly. At least I hope so. I usually put my daily gratitudes in these boxes, but since these stickers are so big, like they're huge, I kind of need a space for them. So I'm going to put like my daily gratitudes over here along with my prayer list and stuff. So I think we'll be able to fit everything. There we go. And then we'll put the last couple over here. Now, I don't count Christmas. I thought Christmas was on a Monday. Why am I so confused? Did I do this completely wrong this entire time? Nope, we're good. Whew. I honestly thought for some strange reason Christmas was on a Monday, but we're good. Okay. Let me go ahead and, whoops, why did I put that there? That does not go there. Come on. At least thankfully I didn't stick it down completely. The 3 goes over here on Thursday. There we go. All right. And then the 2 and the 1. I don't know why I put the 3 over there. But for some reason I thought Christmas was on a Monday, and so I thought my whole countdown was like way off. All right. And then 1 day left till Christmas. Woohoo. Awesome. Yay. So we have our countdown. And yes, there's no countdown because Sunday is Christmas. So, all right. So there's washi tape in here, which I thought was cool. And I think God was like telling me to use these in a certain order, these sticker books, because every single time I've used a different sticker book this month, I've had exactly the countdown I needed. And some were like blank from like last year. And so I was like, wow, like God, thank you. Because I would have had to have switched planners or something, or not planners, but stickers. All right. I do love these a lot. I think they're really, really cute. So I think I'm going to use a lot of these. I don't know. Should I do vintage or should I do peppermint? I've done peppermint. I kind of want to do vintage this time. So let's see if I have vintage washi tape. There's some here, but they're kind of small. Let's see if there's any longer ones back here. But I kind of want to do it more vintage style. Ah, here we go. All right. So really cute stuff. Let's see. What to choose, what to choose. I kind of want to do like the same. Actually, you know what? I might actually have washi tape in my stash that matches. Because I have this one, this is Merry Christmas. Which that could work. I actually do want one that says Merry Christmas since this week is Merry Christmas. So I kind of want to do that. And then I have some cute plaid that would work. Those are cute. Ooh, I like that. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Perfect. Okay. We'll use those. All right. So I'm going to do this off the camera because it'll take me a while, but we'll be back shortly. All right. So I finished the washi tape, and here's the back of the sticker book in case you want to look it up. So it doesn't really match like the countdown, but that's okay. It'll match the stickers that we use. All right. But depending on what stickers we want to use. There was some really cute clear stickers I was thinking about. Ooh, should I do Christmas lights? Let's do Christmas lights. Yes. Christmas lights are so cute. And these are clear, which I love. Super cute. I have the scissors. I have fancy scissors. All right, so let's see. I'm gonna put some over here. Ah, don't stick yet, you hairy monster. There we go. All right. Christmas lights dangling. Well, I've got some wrinkles in there, but that's okay. All right, so I'm gonna hold that and use my fancy cutting scissors because I don't have my regular scissors here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it somewhere. Here we go. Ah, get off, get off, get off, get off. There we go. All right, so some over there and some over here. Not as many over here, but that's okay. There we go. Got our cute little Christmas lights. Yeah, for some reason this sticker paper wanted to wrinkle really badly, but that's okay. I could try to get it off and re-stick it. It might work. Oh yeah, I will. Okay. I just wanted to get rid of the wrinkles. There we go. Oh, that's good. I did get rid of most of the wrinkles over there. Should I do it over here too? These are very sticky though. I've noticed that Michael stickers are definitely more sticky than like Happy Planner and stuff. So you just have to be careful. Nope, this one wants to rip. Okay, leaving down. All right, so we got our cute little lights there. What else do we want? Let's see. Ooh, there's a Christmas light box, which I love that. That's so cute. I think I might put it down here. I don't know where I want it because it's so cute. Put it right here. There we go. All right, what else do we want? I definitely kind of wanted it a little bit vintage, but I also kind of wanted it like super cute too. I kind of like this giant green sticker for Merry Christmas, but we'll see what else is there. Skipping all the candy colors. Let's use this one. It's got the plaid, which is awesome because it matches the washi tape. Oops. Oh, it's like a double sticker, I think. Yes, it is. Okay. I thought I broke it, but I don't think so. I don't like that though. It's gonna be really hard to figure out like where to put it now. Okay, well, kind of wanted to put it there. That's kind of funny. Now I have to like lay it down so it doesn't. There we go. Okay, that was harder than it looked. All right, now I'm gonna have to place this thing in here. So I guess you could use just the frame if you wanted to, but I didn't want to have that. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, so it stayed. All right, let's see what else do we want. I do like the plaid, so let's stick with a couple of the plaid stickers too. I definitely have to leave room for a sticker that says Merry Christmas because obviously we need a sticker that says Merry Christmas. We need another one. I do like the plaid for some reason. Oh, here's another frame one. Why do they do that? I don't like that. Like I really don't like that. It's too hard. Okay, let's put it right here. It's too hard to like lay down and then put like the center in, but we'll attempt it. It'll take a lot longer. All right. So if you have any prayer requests, like if you'd like for me to pray with you and pray with the Lord and just leave a comment that puts like just I need prayers, or if you'd like to let me know what to pray for, you can always email me at katiefaithjournaling@yahoo.com. It's always in the description box below, so you can reach me there as well. I think I might do some of the holly, or what is that, poinsettia. I think they're pretty, so I might use some of those. Let me go back and pick a Christmas sticker. I think I might use this one. Oh no, that's the same one. Go back. It doesn't say Merry Christmas. Put it back. This is the same thing that our other sticker did. All right. Let's see. Do you have any other ones that say Merry Christmas? Just in case. Okay, there's some clear ones. And then I don't want to use the peppermint colors because I don't want to use that. Okay, oh, here's one. I like this one. I'm glad I flipped back. So I can use a smaller one. I might use a smaller one. I don't like the clear stickers though because they give me problems trying to get them off the page. It wants to get stuck. There we go. I couldn't get it off. Okay, so I'm going to put the Merry Christmas up here. Perfect. Kind of going over the entire weekend there. There we go. All right, what else do we want? I definitely liked the Noel's really cute too. I like how it matches the Merry Christmas, so I want to use that one too. Actually, they all kind of match each other, but I'll use the Noel. Where do we want the Noel though? We'll put it right here. Once it's down, you got to keep it down because sometimes they don't come up. All right, so let's see. I saw something that I wanted. Oh yeah, I got to remember to use those. All right, let's go back. So I do want to use some of the poinsettias, and I want to use a couple other things too. I was like, where's the poinsettias? There's a page with like just poinsettias, which I want to go back to that. There they are. Those giant poinsettias. All right. I don't know if I want like a giant one or not, because that's big. And they're also really hard to get off the sticker paper. Wow. Because of all the pointy ends. Okay, yeah, if you have the sticker book, just be careful when you take off the poinsettias, because that was really hard to get off the paper there. I'll put one big one there, and I'll put a couple of the medium-sized ones. For me, I could use prayers just to keep remembering that the Spirit, that this time of the year is about Jesus, which all year round is about Jesus. I don't forget though. I mean, like, that is like the main focus of Christmas for me, is like Jesus, like 100%. Maybe not when I was little. I'll admit that. I think every kid's like that. But yeah, main focus, Jesus, absolutely. Maybe even when I was little, my mom used to make a cake for Jesus' birthday. And that was a lot of fun. And I still have, we have a Jesus stocking that we hang next to ours. And I love doing that. That is like my favorite tradition, is hanging up Jesus' stocking next to ours. And I'm the only one that does it because everyone else doesn't do it. But I put like things that I'm thankful for this year, or prayers that I want to just give to Jesus. And I put them all in the stocking. And, you know, I might look through them every year. I might not. But, I mean, it's not completely full yet because I think we only started that like maybe, I would say 8 years ago or so. But I do enjoy putting my prayers and my thankful notes in there. So I do that every year. And I love it. I love doing that. All right. So I think we're good with the poinsettias, however you pronounce those. And I really wanted to put some of these in. I don't know, I just really like these. They're beautiful gold foiled ornaments, and I just kind of wanted a couple ornaments to kind of stick around here. So let's see here. Maybe I'll put a bell here. And let's see. Just a couple of really cute ornaments I think will work for that. And I just had to make sure that I have room for writing. And I want another bell. All right, so I added a couple of ornaments to the side, and then I added a few little stars off camera. So last thing I want to do is to add a couple of stickers from my religious sticker pack, even though I didn't leave a lot of room for extra stickers. I got a little crazy with the Christmas stickers. All right, so I think I'm going to use this one that says trust in the Lord. I'm going to have to use a lot of the small ones because I probably should have put these on first just so I knew how much room I needed. And I hate these stickers sometimes, especially in the corner. Like, make it harder to peel off. See, I think I might put this one here. There we go. And let's see, what else do I want? I think I might use the God is Love. I like that too, so I'll put that down. There we go. I think I'm going to put this one, I think I'm going to put it over here. Should I put it over here? I don't know where I want to put it. Maybe I'll put it up here. There we go. All right, and I don't know if I'm going to have anything else. Let's see. Anything else is kind of small because I didn't leave too much room right now. Let's use the He Lives as well, and I think we'll be good with those. All right, so I didn't put too much, but I like it. I like how it looks. I think I'm going to put it over here. There we go. Perfect. All right, so that is our planner layout for the Christmas week. It looks really cute, and I'm going to go ahead and put it back in here. Yes, that one's not filled out because I'm pre-filming. Although, hopefully I'll be all caught up by then, so I can actually do this every day. All right, so this is what it looks like when it's all done. I love it. This is a beautiful layout for Christmas, I think. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And I will see you all in the next video. Merry Christmas. And I hope you all just have a wonderful, blessed Christmas. Remember that Jesus is the reason for the season. I love that saying. All right, so I love you all, and I will see you all in the next video.